everybody, I am HairDoc TK, and this is my salon, New Dimension Extensions, and this is my fabulous client, Alicia, and we are actually going to recreate her life today, one strand at a time.
Hi, my name is Alicia Shepard, and I'm here to talk to you about my hair loss journey. When I was about 16 years old, started noticing that my hair was falling out, and it went through shifts and changes as I grew up, as things happened, and what I noticed was no matter what I did medically, nothing was helping the hair come back. And as a woman, we know our hair is the center of how we feel our confidence and how we look. So as I got older, come to find out that part of my hair loss was due to health issues. I've been diagnosed with celiac and with POTS, which is postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. These are two autoimmune diseases that I can't fight. I can only contain. As I went through the journey and trying to find out not only how I could heal myself and working with my doctors and with homeopathics in order to take control of my diseases, I also needed to take control of the outside. If I was going to focus on the inside, I needed to walk into a boardroom with confidence. I needed to be able to be in front of my husband and feel good about myself. That wasn't going to happen until I took control of the outside. So as I've journeyed through this, what I discovered is I tried topical treatments. I did the big brand names on my scalp. I didn't find anything except for a severe case of dandruff. So went through those things, it didn't happen. What I found is that when I sat down and I put on that very first hair piece, and I know that may sound odd to somebody, but I actually looked in the mirror the way that I felt that I should look on the inside. Then my diseases progressed. My hair continued to fall out. So then it became that the hair piece wasn't enough. I journeyed with my family from the Midwest to Arizona, and as we're getting home here in Arizona, I come to find out I needed more help. So I started looking up different salons and different places that I could go to get the assistance that I needed for my hair to make myself feel the way that I wanted to feel again. As I talked to different salons in the area, come to find out nobody would touch my piece. They wouldn't go anywhere near it. And those who were, and I would go talk to them in person, they didn't know what they were speaking about. And I got to be pretty concerned. So I was literally Googling and I came across HairDoc TK. I read her website and said, you know what? This is gonna be my last chance. Came in, met with TK, and we did a consultation. She really individualized what my treatment plan, and I'm going to say the treatment plan, not just what my hair was going to look like. What was my treatment plan going to be to carry me to what I wanted? Now you've seen the before pictures, and right now you're seeing the after. I think you'll know that this method works. You know, I'm a very lucky person because I have a husband who thinks I'm beautiful no matter what. But now I know that I'm beautiful. I can walk into a conference room, into a boardroom, into a sales pitch, knowing that I look the way that I feel that I should, and I can go with the confidence knowing they're focusing on my sale, they're not focusing on my hair. And for that, I am thankful.